Hello everyone, this is V with Timeless Elegance Design. I hope I'm finding everyone well. Today I'm bringing you another Tablescape, and it is hosted by Cynthia Shesobless. Her co-hosts are me, myself, and DIYing It, Diva Decorating, Mysterious Alberta, and Lynn's Lifestyle Living. So today our challenge on our Tablescape is to decorate our table from a dollar store. And the challenge is called Dollar Store Tablescape Glam Farmhouse 2020. And tell the cost of the tablescape. Alrighty, let's jump right into my tablescape. My table is decorated from the Dollar Tree. And my table is Glam. So let me take you right in. My table is set for 4. And my place settings consist of my Dollar Tree charger, my Dollar Tree plastic plate, silver and white, my Dollar Tree bread or dessert dish, and I have my plates raised with a Dollar Tree plate because that make them look like they're real instead of just some plastic plates. That it just gave them a lift. As well as my Dollar Tree bowls. I have the large bowl and the small bowl and the little dessert cup with the little dessert spoon. Also, the Dollar Tree white napkin and napkin ring, as well as the Dollar Tree goblets and flatware. The Dollar Tree tea lights, as well as their candle holder and candle. And my centerpiece is made out of Dollar Tree ice buckets. And I got the white carnations from Dollar Tree as well. The only 2 things that are on this table that is not from Dollar Tree would be this bottle of wine as well as this tablecloth. And I think if you are a bride and you don't have very much money, you can set your table this way and it is so glamorous, beautiful. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and welcome to my wonderful subscribers. Once you finish viewing my channel, please go over and view the host and her hostesses, co-hostesses, and the rest of the participants and show them some love and let them know that I sent you. I'm going to turn the lights off so you can see. it in the dark, and it looks simply gorgeous. Everything is all shiny and pretty. Thank you so much for visiting me. And do come back and see me again. And if you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on that bell twice so you'll know when I upload other videos like this. And take care. And I will see you on the next video. And bye-bye. And also, sorry, my Tablescape cost me about $25, but I already had all these things at my home. I didn't shop for anything except for those carnations. And again, bye-bye.